Dr. Valdis Valters doesn't let anyone to his laboratory. He compares his hard work to the work of creator. Because for the majority of patients who are faced with the loss of eyes, he's the one who will return into the former course of life, skillfully concealing serious defect.
Наши пациенты являются самыми тяжелыми психофункциональными инвалидами. Во-первых, интеграция обратно в общество невозможна с таким.
Our patients have the most severe psychofunctional disabilities. Firstly, integration into society back is impossible with such defect. Secondly, without this prosthesis, it is difficult to live for a patient for more than a month. Functional problems and complications start right away. Our patients, there are three main reasons. This is congenital problem. The baby is born with or without an eye, or greatly reduced eye when intensive functional work with this patient is required. The second category is the disease, due to which an eye or both eyes were lost. And the third category, injury. All these components are proportionally equal.
Заболевания, вследствие которых пациент теряет глаз или часть глаза. И третья категория – это травмы. Все вот эти составные, они пропорциональные. Да, примерно одинаковые.
The main objective of an ocularist is the production of an eye prosthesis. And cosmetic line is certainly a priority. But in addition, it has taken into account the issue of wearing comfort and providing the functionality of the orbit. For example, if after an eye injury, the person doesn't wear the prosthesis, usually facial deformation develops.
В итоге, что пациент, смотря на себя в зеркало, или кто-то из очень близких людей, смотря ему в глаза, но мало видел бы.
As a result, the patient, when he looks at himself in the mirror, or someone from France looking at it, would see little difference. The eye, of course, is the kidney, does not grow twice. If the prosthesis implantation was successful, very correctly and accurately produced, it feels very comfortable, convenient and pleasant for the patient. That is, as I saw in many cases, the patient at first says that his vision got better. I even read in some cases that in such cases, when there is a very good prosthesis, there is a real sense that the angle of view expands.
Действительно, есть чувство такое, но реальное, что увеличивается, расширяется угол зрения.
The primary source material from which the laboratory is made ocular prosthesis is a unique cryolite glass with a 200-year history. The founders of this material are considered to be Germans, but only Latvians have mastered the technique. Today, the creators can even disguise the effect of narrowing or expanding the pupil of artificial eyes.
У нас есть некоторые другие разные методы, когда мы
We have some other different methods to this effect, as it were arresting or retouch. When it does not become so important for the patient, we make a pupil of a size or color. It is not always entirely black, or with a whisk, or reflections, and it's imitating this feature.
Он не всегда совсем черный, или с таким венчиком, или с такими отблесками, да, что он как бы имитирует эту функцию.
By linking his life with medicine, but rather with an ophthalmology, Valdis did not think that his profession is so narrow.
И когда я ехал учиться в Москву, я сначала учился в Москве, то
When I went to Moscow to study, I first studied in Moscow. I did not know that it will be until the end. I knew that Latvia needs a specialist. There is a quota, budget, place of work, the premises. I became that specialist. I had to go and return to begin this work.
Вот специалист был я, который должен был ехать и по возвращению начинать заниматься этим. Такие вещи, которые потом оборачиваются.
These things, which then turn into your way of life, as in general your destiny. For some reason, you never choose your path. You just find yourself there and then have to deal with it.
Как-то не выбирают. Ты просто там оказываешься. И потом констатируешь уже впоследствии.
Today, the Latvian clinic of Dr. Valters not only treats patients from all over the Baltic region, but also caters to those in need from Georgia, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Turkey, Greece, and Ukraine.
Уникальность
The uniqueness of our work is that it is very narrowly specialized, and around the world there are only a handful of specialists of this kind. This means there are very few, so we are all unique.
Я, в принципе, знаю поименно. Это значит, что их очень мало, а значит, мы все очень уникальные.